Located between Osaka and Kobe, Amagasaki Castle once stood as a key samurai stronghold, guarding the approaches to Osaka Bay during Japan's feudal era. The castle was first constructed in 1617 by Toda Ujikane under the Tokugawa shogunate, serving as the seat of the Amagasaki domain. Its strategic position allowed the shogunate to monitor maritime traffic and control access to Osaka, Japan's economic heart. Amagasaki Castle was designed as a compact but powerful flatland castle, surrounded by moats, stone walls, and defensive gates. Though smaller than nearby Osaka Castle, it played an important role in maintaining Tokugawa authority in the Kansai region. After the Meiji restoration in the late 19th century, the feudal domain system was abolished and Amagasaki Castle was dismantled. Its buildings were lost and the site was absorbed into the rapidly modernizing city. In the 21st century, the castle was reconstructed using historical records and traditional design principles. The new tenshu was completed in 2019, reviving the silhouette of the original fortress and reconnecting the city with its samurai past. Today, Amagasaki Castle operates as a museum and cultural center, featuring exhibits on samurai life, Tokugawa governance, and regional history. Rising once again above the city, it stands as a symbol of resilience, memory, and Japan's enduring feudal heritage.